we're gonna put this thing on corner scales and we're gonna check the corner balance. I'm also curious as to the front rear weight distribution, and we're also gonna square this thing up, make sure the toe is where we want it, and make sure this thing drives straight, not dog walking around.
Everything from like the application process to each sticker's composition on the car is like more spiritual than anything. It's not just a sticker when you think about it. This right here is the essence of style.
We got a bag that's full of grease, so it's really slippery. We're gonna put it right under the wheels. That way when the suspension comes down, the bag acts like a slip plate. It actually lets the suspension move where it wants to be, and that will result in the appropriate ride height so we can check toe, camber, and make sure this thing's ready to go. We're just checking toe in the rear because it's actually really easy to do. You don't need a fancy machine or anything. You need some toe plates. And by looking at it right now, we're almost a full inch toed in. So let's pull some toe out and check this thing again.
We don't know how long the gas has been sitting in this tank, so we're gonna go ahead and add some of this octane booster. Should be pretty sweet, hopefully. Wake up, little guy. Yeah, so since Odie likes wheel studs so much, it's a good idea to triple check all these. After the first time you drive the car, just revisit it, because you never know how much it's loosening up. Just check them again just to be safe. You never want to have a wheel coming off when you're at the track.
Yeah, I think
This tip is so sick, I would like that on my car. We're expecting this motor to put out about 280 brake horsepower at the wheel. Quite a bit of turbo response. You know, it's not really like putting the sticker on. Kind of just want to like, just feel it out, like passion based. Square falls, man. I don't even know what happened there.
I think this vehicle was involved in some gang-related activities, so we want to make sure we remove all these markings because I really don't even know what it says. So this thing's almost ready to go. We addressed some exhaust leak issues. We actually just kind of redid the whole exhaust real quick. We quickly aligned the car. You know, last night we got a chance to shake it down, but that revealed a few issues. And today, I'm so glad we had some time to figure those out right before we head to the track. We got our grocery getter running. Now let's go get some groceries. It's healthy.
Oh, you get the frosted ones at least, man.
Yeah, all right. We don't actually need these groceries, so we're just gonna go give them away. Did our good deed. Let's go have some fun, man. Let's go to the track. Sweet. thing's making an obnoxious sound and we cannot figure it out. I think it still runs just fine, but I really want to figure out the sound because it is so loud. It's like there's horn underneath of this thing. So we're gonna do some more digging and see what we can find. If we don't find it, we're gonna still go out and have a really good time out here. Oh, this is driving me nuts.
Hot boy car. Odie's now hot boy. We gotta do street burnouts.
All right, so we got 4 people in the car. We're gonna see how it handles. The clutch is going out, but it actually gets down pretty good, so it should be fun. I have a really good feeling that all the hot boys are gonna love this car.
All right, the car's running really good.
Yeah, man. Cheers, man.
I had a lot of fun building this thing, and honestly, I had a great time at the track, and I'm actually really relieved that we made it all the way back to the shop. This thing held together. We definitely found a few weird things like that weird noise.
Yeah.
I don't know what it is. And there's other things we could improve on this car. You know, there's definitely, I think, some room to have even more fun. What do you think?
Yeah, I think some of those bushings were a little bit shot there, and again, like the noise was pretty loud and annoying. But other than that, for it being what it was to where it is now and surviving its first track day, it was awesome, man.
Yeah, it was a fun transformation, and I'm kind of excited to dig deeper into this thing, get maybe some more power, like you said, replace some of the bushings.
Yeah.
Sounds like a good time.
Yep.
I'm excited to dig into this thing maybe some more, do some cool stuff to it. I'd really like you guys to comment below and let us know what improvements you'd like to see done to this thing.